wasn't expecting you to be here. Why he glitching like that?
McDonald's Wi-Fi trying to make a comeback, I see.
So are my eyebrows. I'm thinking they're
I know you ain't talking, waterbender.
Okay, Hawk Moth.
Okay, fatherless.
Okay, sisterless.
Okay, you can calm down now.
Nezuko Chan is speaking facts.
No, you don't know what you're
What kind of laugh was that?
Joke. Mom.
I know you're laughing when you're going freaks hairline.
Honey, you're Walnut Luca Cofain. Chill out.
You're so sisterless.
And you're still
Bro, you know that's a thing.
Tadro, Coco, your
What do you
sister.
mean, Tadro, go get a sister? What's wrong with Nezuko?
Oh, chill, Simp. Nobody said there was something wrong with her.
Man's walking them Elmo eyebrows. I know you ain't laughing, Puma. You better not be talking to me with like sour things with your musty. Inosuke, don't use that language. Tamadaku,
Who the heck is the Humahaka?
Your mom.
That pterodactyl hairline of yours says otherwise.